This is Sandeep Sharma and I'm from Kolkata, and I have been associated with DHI for the past 3 years. And previously in the year of 2018, when I was very shy and I was not so confident because due to my hair loss, then I went through the internet and I chose DHI. They did my consultation, and after that we went through a surgery, and that was a very seamless surgery. There was no pain, there was no problem at all. Like, people does think, while doing this surgery you will have a lot of issues. I was absolutely fine after 2 days. I can do my job, I can do my work easily after 2 or 3 days before connecting with DHI. There was no hair, there was no much hair at this point, this side and this side. This side was okay, but this side there was no hair. So I used to think twice or thrice what type of hairstyle I'll put in, basically, because whatever I do, I used to see this area was blank and the area was not looking good, and I was very shy and very uncomfortable clicking pictures with my friends and family members, taking selfies also. But I can tell you this, after connecting with DHI, they guaranteed me that within 6 months to 1 year's time you will have a good hair growth. After a year, you can see the magic here. This entire hairline has come up and I feel so good and I feel so relaxed now. I can take pictures, I can do selfies as much as I want, and I'm very confident now. Since 2018 and 2021, 3 years, DHI has changed my life completely. And to my friends and other viewers, if they are watching it, so I would like to say, if you have this issue or if you're facing this kind of problem at the moment, connect with DHI. I'm sure they will definitely help you with it the way they did it for me.